Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to set your TikTok account into private account. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok application, and after you are in a TikTok application, you just need to go into your profile right here. And after that, you just need to go into this three small straight lines here. You just need to click it, and after that just click a setting and privacy. And after you're done, you will be generated into a setting and privacy segment. Just need to focus on this account. So there will be a lot of tools that you can set here. One of them is privacy, and now you just need to click a privacy, and then you just need to click this button to activate a private account. And after you activating this private account, your account will be private, and only a TikTok account that you followed or followed by you, they can access and visiting your TikTok profile. So that's all the way how to make your TikTok account into a private account. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.